As a side hustler or entrepreneur, you're always looking for ways to maximize your income and minimize your tax liability. The best tax deductions for side hustlers and entrepreneurs can make a big difference in the amount of taxes you end up paying, but many don't realize how many opportunities there are to keep more of your hard-earned money. In this video, I'll walk you through some essential tax deductions that can save you big, and we'll even touch on how gold IRAs can be a powerful tool for protecting your wealth. But before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend you click the first link in the description. There, you can get access to a free guide that's helping thousands of Americans make the smart move to gold IRAs, ensuring their wealth stays secure in these uncertain times. Now, let's dive into those tax deductions you need to know about. First, let's talk about home office deductions. If you work from home, you're eligible for some tax relief. You can deduct a portion of your rent or mortgage, utilities, and even home repairs, as long as they're directly related to your business. The key here is that the space needs to be used regularly and exclusively for your business activities. It's a huge win for entrepreneurs who work from home, and the IRS allows for a simplified deduction method or a more detailed one where you calculate actual expenses. Next up, vehicle expenses. Whether you're driving to meet clients or picking up materials for your business, you can deduct the cost of using your vehicle. You can either use the standard mileage rate or deduct actual expenses like gas, insurance, and maintenance. The standard mileage rate can be especially simple, but make sure you keep good records. That's essential for the IRS to take you seriously. Another big deduction is business-related meals. If you're taking clients out or ordering food for a business meeting, you can deduct 50% of the cost. It's important that you have a legitimate business purpose for the meal, so don't just pick any restaurant. Keep detailed receipts and make sure you document the purpose of the meeting. This one often gets overlooked, but it's a great way to keep more of your money. Now let's talk about education expenses. As an entrepreneur, you're always learning, whether it's taking courses, attending seminars, or subscribing to educational materials. If it directly benefits your business, these expenses are deductible. Keep in mind that it must be related to your current business activities, not something that prepares you for a new career. So, if you're sharpening your skills in business or marketing, you can deduct those expenses. When it comes to equipment and supplies, whether it's a laptop, a camera for content creation, or even software subscriptions, all of these can be deductible as business expenses. If you buy something that you'll use for business, make sure to track it. For larger purchases, you might be able to depreciate the item over time, which can spread out the tax benefit. Lastly, one of the most effective ways to protect your wealth long-term is by investing in a gold IRA. This allows you to diversify your retirement savings and protect against inflation, especially in turbulent times. While these other tax deductions can help you manage your current tax liability, a gold IRA can help you secure your financial future. If you're really serious about safeguarding your wealth, especially if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5 million plus in savings, then you should definitely consider looking into a gold IRA. It's a simple process, and you can get a free guide on how to get started by clicking the link in the description below. To recap, home office deductions, vehicle expenses, business meals, education costs, and equipment and supplies are all legitimate ways to save on taxes as an entrepreneur. But as you plan for your future, don't forget that investing in a gold IRA could be the key to long-term wealth protection. Be sure to check out the free guide in the description. It's a great starting point if you're looking to take control of your financial future. Take action today, and I'll see you in the next video.